How to add funny videos to your videos. Are you aware that adding those kind of funny videos can make your videos to go viral? In this video, I will be teaching you how you can add this type of funny videos either in the middle of your video or at the end of your videos. You are going to be learning it, especially those of you that does not know how to cut and join. This video will teach you how to cut and join, how to add another video. All those viral videos you are seeing, people adding all those type of viral memes or funny memes. This video, I will show you how you can put them either at the beginning or at the middle or at the end of your videos. All you just need to do, you share this video so that others also get to benefit. All right, let's go. So you go ahead and open your CapCut, either you're using iPhone or Android phone, is supported version. So go ahead and click on new video. All right, so now you must have recorded your video or your funny video that you want to add funny memes to, like you want people to laugh, so you must have made that video. So for example, let's assume this is the video I have recorded that is funny, so I want to add funny memes to it so that to make people laugh. All right, so I'll bring it in by clicking on add. So now just like I said, I'm going to be showing you how you can add memes at the middle or memes at the end. So for example, let's look for the middle parts that we want to add the funny memes to. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to manually come. You can see I want to add funny memes to that middle part, so I'm going to split. Okay, so after splitting it, I'm going to look for overlay. This overlay allows me to step it down and then drag it to give a space. So now I'll click on the overlay to step it down. Then I will now drag the front one forward a little bit to create an empty space in the middle. Because this empty space you see me creating now, you see me pointing at, is where I'm going to put my first funny memes at the middle. Okay, so I'll click on overlay and then add overlay to pick my first funny memes that I want to add in that middle. So I'm picking this particular side eye. So then you properly fit it, you properly position it or fit it. So then you cut or delete the remaining unwanted parts. So now I will click on delete after splitting. So now this is the part I'm keeping. You can see that small part is just what I need from the funny memes. So now the next part I want to add is the ending of the video. So I want to add another funny meme to the ending of the video. So I'll pick another funny memes that I want to add to the end of the video. Then I will properly resize it. So now this is how you actually add your funny memes to any part of your video, be it at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end of the video. Step one is record the video of yourself. Okay. Then step two, look at the two funny memes now. For example, do you see that's the two funny memes you see me pointing at that I've just added? The first one at the middle and the last one at the end. So now the steps, what you need to know about adding this funny meme is that you have to record your own video first. After recording your own video, then you look for the funny memes, go and download it. Like the other day I was teaching you people how to add funny sounds. I taught you how to download your funny sounds. So it's the same way too. You search for those memes and then you download them. Then after that, you come to CapCut and then bring in your own video first. Then begin to put your memes to the right place, either at the middle or at the end. Some of you say you don't normally add at the middle. It's just the end of the video, just for people to laugh. Okay, so these are the things you can do that help your video have more visibility or go viral. So please do well to watch other of my interesting editing videos and then share this video so that others get to benefit. All right, thank you.